Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy Exit coming at you guys with another video, and in today's video we are going to go over my crypto portfolio. Yes, because as you guys know, I did start mining Ethereum about a month ago. It's been very profitable for me, and I just want to share with you guys my progress, how things going, how much I've invested, how much I plan to invest, what other coins have I started investing in, what other coins have I started mining. So right, a lot to get into, so let's hop into the video. All right guys, so before we hop into all the crypto talk, hey, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like I said, it means a lot. It most definitely helped my channel. I appreciate it a ton. And if you like what I'm talking about in the video and it helps you out in any way, consider liking this video. Just like the video and it means a lot. But let's get into the crypto. All right. So as I stated earlier, I did started mining Ethereum. Why did I start mining Ethereum? I think I'm very bullish on Ethereum long term. I truly think in the long run, 2, 3, 4 years from now, it should be worth well over 10K. That's my honest opinion. And with that being said, I started to invest, and I wanted a way to invest and then double my investment. So I end up creating me a computer rig, which mines Ethereum for me, which makes me money. So I'm going to put a screenshot up here and you guys can see pretty much roughly how much it pays a day, a week, and a month. The number does fluctuate depending on how much Ethereum is going up or how much Ethereum is dropping down, because it's so volatile. But and like I said, it's very profitable. As you guys see, it can go as high as 1,400. It can go low as 600 a month. So pretty nice, especially with I pretty much built my entire rig from just investing in Dogecoin. So it was just a win-win for me. But how much is my portfolio worth? How much have I put in so far? As of right now, my portfolio is sitting around 7K, which is pretty crazy because I just started investing in it about a month and a half ago, somewhere up in there. And I have been no dollar cost averaging in, especially with Ethereum dropping down to as low as 1,700, 1,600. I just had to buy the dip, guys. I had to, because that's what you do as an investor. You buy the dip, especially if you're bullish on a stock or cryptocurrency in existence. So I was buying the dip. My portfolio is sitting around 7K right now. I'm pretty excited about it, and I do plan on continuing to purchase and buy into Ethereum because, like I said, I'm very bullish. Now, far as the platform I'm using for my Ethereum, I am using a platform called Cryptocom. It's an app. They have a website, but you can't you can't buy and sell and do all that from your actual computer. It has to be done through the app. But in doing so, I am able to earn interest on my crypto. Yeah, you like that, don't you? I do too. Now, by earning interest on my crypto, it's allowed me to pretty much double down on my portfolio. Well, at this point, triple down really, because I'm mining it, and then I'm also buying it myself, and then also with that, I'm earning interest on top of all of that, which is pretty sick. And like I said, right now it's not like a lot. When I first started off, it was like 20 cents, 35 cents, 45 cents, 90 cents. Now I'm up to like $4 a week. It's getting pretty lucrative with the earnings. So like I said, I'm using Crypto.com. I was gonna use BlockFi, but it was just so hard to connect it to my Ally account. I don't know if a lot of people were having that issue, but I did. I literally could not connect my my Ally to BlockFi so I could start depositing money. And then my other bank that I used, my credit union, they weren't even an option to pick. So it was just like, what do I do? Help me. And no matter how much I tried, all they made me do was send a tweet out to Ally saying, hey, can you help me with this issue? I'm not cool enough to get a response back. Yeah. But that's the reason I didn't end up using BlockFi. Or I've seen a lot of people on YouTube talking about BlockFi, and it just wasn't the play for me. And I ended up looking for other alternatives, and I came across this Crypto.com, and I seen a lot of big miners using it. So I was like, hey, let me read up on it, see what it's about. I read up on it. It was like, pretty much the same thing as BlockFi, but the difference between this and the BlockFi, Crypto.com has more actual cryptocurrencies you can purchase. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Ravencoin. It has so many more coins that you can purchase through this platform. I was like, it was like a match made in heaven. So of course I ended up deciding to pick this platform. If you're interested in also starting and using this platform, I will leave my referral link down in the description, so check it out. Now, what other cryptos am I investing in or mining in? Well, me personally, I am investing into Ravencoin. I am actually dollar cost averaging into Ravencoin. I just started roughly about, I think last week, I started investing in Ravencoin. It's another cryptocurrency. It's something similar to Bitcoin itself. No, it's strictly, you can just the only way you can mine it is strictly through GPUs, which is amazing because I'm a GPU miner at this point. I do have my more powerful rig with 6 graphics cards mining Ethereum, and right here I have my personal computer where I edit my videos, watch all my animes and things like that. And I personally have this one right here mining Ravencoin. As of right now, it's like producing $2 a day, which is pretty good, and I'm actually considering putting it on my wife's computer and mining it on there and sending it over to my wallet, so that way I'll be able to produce $4 a day just mining Ravencoin. So pretty nice. The reason I chose Ravencoin is because Ethereum, pretty much towards the end of the year, beginning of next year, Ethereum is going to turn into a proof of stake, and when it does, you would not be able to mine for Ethereum anymore. So since I have a rig there and I use my personal computer, I'm looking and reading up on forums and seeing like what are other miners going to do, because I'm like, there's no way everybody's just going to sell out their graphic cards and stop. People have to be interested in mining other coins. And there's like 2 to 3 coins out there that people are considering mining, and Ravencoin is one of them. After looking at the 3 options, Ravencoin, Eggroll, and there was another one I can't pitch off the top of my head, but they were picking, a lot of people are going to start mining Eggroll, so I'm going to mine Ravencoin, and I chose to pick Ravencoin, and I went ahead and started mining it now. I'm not, like I said, I'm only running 1 GPU mining the Ravencoin, but I am dollar cost averaging in. But whenever Ethereum actually goes down, I will fully swap all my rigs over to Ravencoin and just let it run. Because like I said, if it's about $2 a day with a 3060 graphics card, I have 6 3070s, so I can pretty much rack in a pretty good penny. But I'm very bullish on Ravencoin also. So these are the 2 main cryptos that I'm actually invested in. And I know what you think, okay, this man is really invested in the crypto. I really am. Like I said, I wasn't at first, but now I am getting into the trend, I guess. But I also still invest into the stock market. Majority of my money is still in the stock market outside of real estate. But yeah, I'm looking to give you guys an update on my stock portfolio probably within a week or so. But this is pretty much just all the Ethereum I have and all the Ethereum I plan on investing in going forward. At some point, I may dabble into Bitcoin, but as of right now, I do not hold any Bitcoin whatsoever. But because I'm mainly now focusing just strictly Ethereum and dollar cost averaging at Ravencoin. Mainly Ethereum is my biggest focus right now. I'm looking to want to hold between 12 and 15 coins by the end of the year. So I set a high bar for myself, and hopefully I can get to it. But that's my crypto portfolio, guys. Like I said, if you have any comments, like I said, don't forget if you're interested in this platform, I will leave the referral link in the description. Don't forget to like this video. Most definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, leave a comment. And just tell me, are you investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ravencoin, Cardano? Let me know. Dogecoin, what are you investing in? I would love to hear about it. So just leave a comment. But thanks for watching. It's your boy X here, and I'm out.